Okay, all right. So now that you've watched the YU video, we're going to begin the second day of literal equations, okay, where we're just going to go over the regions questions, okay? All right, let's start. Okay, all right. So let's pick up where we left off yesterday. All right. So here we got question number one here. All right. So try these two right now, and then press pause and then try those two. Okay. So press pause right now. Okay, all right, and we're back. Now, the two things I want to point out to your attention is that there's not much to point out, except that be very careful. You see these subscripts here? First of all, they're not exponents, so don't try to like take a square root, okay? Because I know some of you guys, really remember that lesson, right? When we take square root equation, these aren't superscripts. These aren't exponents. These are subscripts, okay? They are used to distinguish two variables that are likewise represent the same thing, but just a different portion of it. Okay, think of it like that. It's not a good explanation, but Boyle's law. What's Boyle's law? It's a chemistry topic. Okay, you guys will see that in 10th grade. Okay, all right. Anyway, so the second one the attention that I want to bring to you is that here you can divide p and t at the same time. Okay, you don't have to like divide it by p, right, and then rewrite. You don't have to do that. You can, because it's multiplication, right? So you can just multiply. You can divide them at the same time as pt. Okay, so that's why that's the answer. Okay, all right, where are we at? Okay, all right. Now here is the last one. Let's see. All right, so press pause right now. Okay, on this last one, I've decided to work with you guys. Okay, just to make solving a little bit smoother. By the way, I don't know if you've noticed, right? In both instances, they want you to solve for r, which happens to be the part of the formula with a second power on it. That means on purpose, they want to see if you know how to use the square root equation. Okay, now with that said, let's try this. So here, I gotta isolate the r. All right, so that means I gotta get rid of the 1/3, the pi, and the height. Okay, so that means I'm gonna get rid of the number first. So I'm gonna now remember how to get rid of that fraction, right? You multiply by the reciprocal. So I gotta do the same thing on that other side. So watch this, right? Cancel, 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 cancel. Right, so that means I got 3 over 1 times the v is 3v. All right, so I got pi r squared h, right? Now I want to isolate the r. Notice, right, I'm still highlighting them. Okay, so I could get rid of the pi over h, right? Pi h, I meant. So pi h, all right, cancel, cancel. So here I'm left with r squared equals to 3v over pi h. Take the square root on both sides. We got r equals to the 3v pi h, and the car alarm in the background is going off. Fantastic. So that's it. Okay, all right, wow. Okay, that was a very long 2-day journey that we took to solve this. Okay, all right, so again, I might add an extra day in class just as practice. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna sign off here. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
OMG, that was so good.